In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Calendar with a unique background. We all know how sometimes the default look can get a bit monotonous, and adding a personal touch can make planning our days much more enjoyable. So let's take a look at how you can add a custom background to your Google Calendar. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Simply enter your Google account credentials if you're not already logged in. Once there, you're ready to start this customization journey. Next, to make these custom backgrounds possible, we need a small tool called the Custom Calendar Background extension. Head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for this handy extension. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome. This will enable the feature that allows us to personalize our calendar with images of our choosing. Now that we've got the extension installed, the fun part begins: choosing your background image. Open a new tab in Google Chrome and search for an image that you'd love to see every time you visit your calendar. It could be anything from breathtaking landscapes to inspirational quotes. Once you've found an image that resonates with you, click on it to view it in full size. Once the image is open, you'll need to copy its URL. Simply right-click on the image and select Copy Image Address. With the URL in hand, return to your Google Calendar and hit refresh to ensure everything is up to date before proceeding further. After refreshing, you'll notice a new button called Background in your calendar interface. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Custom Calendar Background settings. Here, we'll put that image to use. Look for the option that reads Custom Calendar Background and click into it. With that setting selected, you have the chance to add some final touches. You'll see an option to select a light overlay. This helps ensure your calendar events remain easy to read despite the colorful background. Choose the light overlay setting, then opt for single image to ensure your chosen image is consistently displayed. Now, paste the URL you copied earlier into the image URL field and hit the Save button. Once you've saved your settings, return to the Google Calendar again and refresh the page one last time. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar now sports a vibrant new background, perfectly tailored to your personal style. And that wraps up today's tutorial. With these steps, your calendar will not only help you stay organized, but also bring a bit of inspiration to your everyday planning. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly customized Google Calendar.